Now, as we have already solved A, B, C, three examples. Now the fourth example we will solve, that is D. What is there in this? Two substances. Okay, we are considering two substances A and B have specific heat C and 2C respectively. So if A and B are given Q, that is heat, symbol of heat, and 4 Q amounts of heat is respectively, the change in their temperature is the same. If the mass of A is m, what is the mass of B? So we want to find now in this question is that what is the mass of B. Okay, now two substances are there, okay, A and B. Okay, specific heat of A is C and specific heat of B is twice that of A, is that is 2C. So we can write it as specific heat of A is equal to C and specific heat of B is equal to 2C, and amount of heat of A is this Q and amount of B is 4Q. So Q of amount of heat A is equal to Q and amount of heat of B is equal to 4Q. Okay, and difference in the delta T is same, but change in temperature is same. Now we want to find mass of B. So mass of A is m, and so we can write mass of A is equal to m. Mass of B we have to calculate, as change in temperature is same for substances A and B. So we have Q A of, this is the formula, Q into the bracket A upon mass of A into specific heat of A is Ca is equal to Q amount of heat of B upon mass of B into specific heat of that B. We have in this putting the values. So now we will put the values. What is Q A? What we have seen, the QA is nothing but the here Q. So I will write here Q upon what is MA. What is MA? Mass of A is nothing but M. So I will write M. And what is specific heat of A? Specific heat of A is C. So I will write C is equal to, now amount of heat of B is 4Q upon mass of B is, we have to find mass of B into specific heat of B. What is specific heat of B is, it is specific heat of B is 2C. So I will write 2C. So we have this all these values. Now cross multiply. Now if we will cross multiply, or we will write this in the next step as, see, I have written here Q upon M into C in is equal to 4 into Q upon mass of B into 2C. Now cross multiply this. MB mass of B into mass of B into Q, I have written into 2C is equal to 4 into 4K Q into M into C. Now we can cut this Q, this is cut, then C and C got cut. Okay, so what is remaining now? Mass of B is equal to 4 into M upon 2. Okay, mass of B is equal to 4 into M, 2 is will come in denominator. Okay, further it will divide it by 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So mass of B is equal to 2M. So this is mass of B is 2M. Now the example E. What is the question? When a substance having mass 3 kg receives 600 calorie of heat, its temperature increases by 10 degrees Celsius. What is the specific heat of the substance? So we want to find the specific heat of the substance. So mass is given 3 kg. So we have to convert that in gram. So that will be 300 gram. Q, that is a heat, amount of heat 3600 calories plus difference in the temperature, that is 10 degrees Celsius. So we want to find specific heat, that is C. By the formula Q is equal to amount of heat is equal to mass into specific heat into delta T, that is, so we can write C is equal to Q will be in the numerator and mass will come down and delta T will there. Putting values of Q, M and delta T, we get C is equal to, now what is Q, we got 600, so we have taken 600. What is M, mass, that is 3000 into what is delta T, that is 10. So this 20 will be cut by this 2 zeros. Okay, so what is remaining now, 6 upon 300. Okay, now you divide it, 2 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Okay, so this is 2 upon 100, and if you just cut this 2, that will be 0.02 calorie per gram degree Celsius. So this is the specific heat of the substance. Thank you.